Have you ever seen someone strolling around under the blazing sun wearing black and white striped pajamas? Welcome to my world where rocking sleepwear all day isn't frowned upon. It's actually fashion goals. I'm a zebra, the kind of creature that'll leave you wondering, wait, is it black on white or white on black? But don't let the stylish look fool you. I'm not just pretty. I'm a symbol of survival strategy, family loyalty, and a back kick so powerful it'll make a lion think twice. Sound interesting? Great. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal all the stripy secrets of the zebra world. Our planet is home to three famous zebra cousins: the plains zebra, that's me, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy's zebra, our rarest sibling, and sadly an endangered one. We're all proudly made in Africa. I hang out mostly in the grasslands and woodlands of eastern and southern Africa. Grevy's zebra prefers the drier regions of Kenya and Ethiopia. And the mountain zebra, it's a fan of hilly and mountainous areas in Namibia, Angola, and South Africa. How tall am I? Around 3.5 to 5 feet at the shoulder, just the right height for scenic views without neck cramps. My weight, somewhere between 440 and 990 pounds, depending on how many grassy buffets I've hit lately. Of course, my signature feature is my fabulous striped coat. But it's not just for show. It helps me blend into my herd so predators like lions get all confused. Which one's the real zebra? Some scientists believe the stripes also keep away biting insects, work as natural sunscreen, help us recognize one another. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern, like human fingerprints. To be honest, no one knows exactly why we have stripes, but who cares? Beautiful and functional, that's a win-win. We're super social animals. We live in herds and often stick together in smaller family units. One dominant male, the stallion, a few females, and their adorable young. Several families may join up to form huge herds, sometimes in the thousands. With so many eyes on alert, it's easier to spot lurking lions or sneaky hyenas. And don't underestimate our loyalty. If one of us gets attacked, the family will circle around to defend the injured member and drive off predators. Also, we groom each other. If you see two zebras gently biting each other, don't panic, it's not a fight. We're just scratching each other's itches and bonding. Zebra friendship goals. We can breed all year round, but baby booms often happen in the rainy season. A zebra mom is pregnant for about 11 to 13 months and usually gives birth to one foal at a time. Within just an hour after birth, The little one can already run around. Zebra foals stick with mom for a few years to learn how to survive and outrun predators. By age 3 to 6, we're considered all grown up and ready to roll. We're hardcore herbivores. Our favorite dishes include grass, herbs, leaves, and even shrubs. Our front teeth are razor sharp for slicing grass, while our back teeth are great for grinding. Fun fact, our teeth never stop growing because all that chewing wears them down. We eat a lot and move constantly to find fresh grazing areas. You could say we're nature's original wandering foodies. Believe it or not, we sleep standing up. Keeps our fur clean and our legs ready to run if we hear danger approaching. Don't let our chill vibes fool you. When provoked, we can get very aggressive. Male zebras fight over females using vicious bites and powerful kicks that can seriously injure or even kill a rival. As for predators, bring it on. If needed, we'll form a semicircle and prepare to strike together. All for one and one for all. In the wild, we can live up to 25 years. We may not be predators, but we play a key role in maintaining grassland ecosystems. With all our grazing, trampling, and moving around, we help keep the grasslands healthy and balanced. We're not just striped horses with attitude. We're living, breathing symbols of Africa's wild heart. And if you're ever looking for tattoo inspiration, zebra stripes might be the perfect mix of beauty, mystery, and uniqueness. No two zebras are ever the same. Anyway, it's lunchtime and the grass is looking extra tasty today. See you next time on the Savannah.
What's the most terrifying creature you can imagine? A shark? A lion? A crocodile? Forget them. The real master of survival is me, the earthworm. I'm no joke. I've ruled the soil for over 500 million years. Older than dinosaurs, older than trees, older than your entire family line. And the funniest thing, you've probably stepped on me. By accident, of course, but I forgive you. I'm used to being unnoticed. But today, I'll crawl out from the shadows and tell the world who I really am, the king of the underground. What's my super skill? Fighting? Hunting? Breathing fire? Nope. I eat dead stuff all day, all night. Like a nature-made garbage disposal. I swallow decaying leaves, rotting roots, microscopic fungi, bacteria, and poop them out as super fertile worm castings, the finest soil fertilizer on Earth. A single acre of healthy soil can have over 1 million earthworms, producing more than 10 tons of rich castings per year. So, next time you see a lush green garden, thank me, I made that possible. I belong to the family Lumbricidae, the true earthworms. I have no bones, no teeth, no eyes, no lungs, and yet I thrive. There are over 7,000 species of worms worldwide. Some are tiny, just 2 centimeters long. Some giants, like the giant Gippsland earthworm from Australia, can reach 3 meters. My body is made of simple segmented rings annually, 100 to 150 of them. Each segment has tiny bristles called setae, which help me move through the soil like a tiny bulldozer. I don't breathe through lungs, but through my moist skin. Dry me out and I die. So I'm literally skin breathing 24/7. I don't have a brain like yours. What I do have is a nerve ganglion, a kind of tiny brain, and nerves running down my body. I can sense light, vibrations, chemicals, and even slight changes in temperature. I know when predators like birds or moles are coming. I can detect rain. I can even smell decaying food underground. Yum. And I'm a genius escape artist. Poke the ground, and I'll vanish into my tunnels faster than you can say compost. My body is covered with slime, not because I'm gross, but because it keeps my skin moist so I can breathe. Each ring segment moves independently. I can stretch, squeeze, and twist like living spaghetti. I have 5 pairs of hearts pumping blue blood. Yep, 5 hearts. Your puny 1 heart can't compete. I also have a crop and gizzard inside, like a bird. I grind up dirt and dead stuff into fine soil as I go. I'm basically an underground food processor. You think your food is weird? Try eating dirt for every meal. I munch on organic material in the soil, dead leaves, tiny organisms, fungi, bacteria. Sometimes I drag leaves into my tunnel like a tiny, slimy lumberjack. I can eat up to half my body weight in organic matter each day. Without me recycling nutrients, your forests, farms, and gardens would collapse into dust. So, humans, you're alive because I digest dead stuff. You're welcome. I'm both male and female at the same time. Sounds strange? It's actually pretty cool. When 2 earthworms meet, they help each other, and both of them can have baby worms. No need to worry about who's the mom or the dad. It's all about teamwork. Each worm makes a tiny cocoon, and inside there can be 2 to 20 baby worms. A short while later, the babies wiggle out and start their underground adventure. We multiply so fast, even faster than internet jokes. I can live underground, underwater, in snow, in deserts, as long as my skin stays moist. I've been found more than 30 meters underground. And I can burrow up to 1,000 times my own body length. In a lifetime. So my cousins survive being frozen solid. Others stay buried during droughts for years. I am nearly immortal from hunger. I can survive weeks without food. I even regenerate lost parts. Cut me in half and I might regrow, but only the front half survives. Sorry, movie myths. I'm not exactly a predator, but I sure have enemies. Birds, moles, frogs, lizards, beetles, spiders, humans with fishing hooks, even flatworms, tiny evil hunters that sneak into my tunnels and eat me alive. Not fun. And yet, despite being everyone's snack, bee worms outnumber almost all other animals. That's why the world is still green. We are humble, but unstoppable. I don't have teeth. I don't roar. I don't have Instagram followers. But I hold the world together. Without me, the soil would die. Crops would fail. Forests would vanish. I am the silent engineer of life, nature's quiet builder. So next time it rains and you see a wiggly worm on the sidewalk, say hello to your oldest, slimiest, most important friend. Because I am the earthworm, and I make the world grow.
Let us settle this before we go any further. I am not a monkey. No disrespect to monkeys, but I do not do tails. I am an ape, the same club as chimpanzees, orangutans, and your Uncle Bob after leg day. Truth is, you and I, we are family. We share about 98% of the same DNA.